So what's been my favourite tomato this season? Really hard to say because I've tried quite a few that I've never grown before, but I think my favourite has been a beefsteak variety called Paul Robeson. So here it is, Paul Robeson. It's a great big beefsteak variety. Not the prettiest, but then beefsteaks often aren't, are they really? Doesn't go red, it goes orange, this sort of lovely orangey colour. And once it does that, it's completely ripe, ready to use. Not great in sandwiches, I haven't found, but it's wonderful in sauces and passatas, soups, that sort of thing. Really great. When you cut it open, it's got a lovely flesh inside, which really breaks down well once it's roasted. Not too many seeds, but lots of flesh. So you get lots for your money with these ones. And as I say, we've had some which have been even bigger than the one I just showed you. So Paul Robeson, got it from the Heritage Seed Library, heritage variety, named after the singer and activist from many years ago. Has got some seeds, so I shall be collecting those and saving them for next year. Certainly be growing it again.
Tomato that I've grown this year that I really like is one called Moon Glow. This is very ripe, it goes a very orange colour, but you can harvest them when they're sort of this lemon yellow colour. It's a real sort of meaty flesh to it, and it's absolutely delicious. It's really quite sweet, because normally I only like the little cherry tomatoes, the Sun Gold. This is kind of like a bigger version of sweetness, and I can eat this one raw, like I can eat Sun Gold raw, but I can't eat a lot of other tomatoes raw. I don't like the flavour, but I will eat this one raw. The good thing about this as well is it contains lycopene, like other tomatoes, which is an antioxidant, which has got a lot of health benefits. But apparently there's been some research done, and this variety, it can be absorbed into the body better, even when raw, because normally you have to cook tomatoes to get the benefit of lycopene. So that's another advantage. Another advantage is that you can save the seed from this and sow them next year, and you'll get plants and tomatoes and fruit looking exactly the same as this, because it's not an F1. It's an heirloom variety, and you can just sow the seed and keep saving the seed from one year to the next, which will save you lots of money. So it's a great tomato, and I highly recommend Tomato Moon Glow.
Well, it's the third week of September, and I'm still picking tomatoes, and I've grown some different varieties, but I'm afraid the highlight of the summer is still the old favourite Sun Gold. These lovely little orange cherries are always delicious. So I'm just going to try one, see what it's like. Juicy, sweet, a little bit of tang to it, but they really are hard to beat. That one's pretty good too. In fact, they're a little bit overripe because it's starting to split now, but still lovely. So Sun Gold, always first in my polytunnel.